Hello everyone, I'm Harder D, and we're back playing Estranged Act 1. So far, game seems to be decent. We just blew up a zombie. It was fantastic. I finally got more bullets for my gun, so I'm able to shoot more stuff, or better yet, miss at shooting stuff. Okay, hey, don't walk forward. I didn't tell you to continue. The game's very drifty. Whee! Boop. Alright, what do we got? Sewer maintenance access. Well, that seems like a logical place to go. Oh, good. Band-aids. Excuse me, I want you to pick up my band-aids. Ooh, more ammunition. Perfect. There we go. Ha-ha! Now I'm a walking barrel of death. Like, why can't I just pick this up and use this as a hammer? I'm just saying. Definitely beneficial. Boop. Alright, I'm not seeing anything over there. Oh, come on. Get inside the doorway. There you go. Come on. Slowly, but... There we go. We could take the safe ladder down, or we could just jump. Watch, it's gonna be like Dark Souls and immediately kill me. Whee! Nope, we're good. Ladders. Who uses ladders? Oh, a cinder block. Who uses ladders? I can't see jack shit. Alright, there we go. Oh, now I can't see shit. I have my brick. Brick! Go ahead. Go forth and warn me. That is a powerful water if that brick's able to, like, fall that fast. Ah! I mean, it's a brick. How does water push it that far? And not hard. Ooh, look at all this junk. People, we definitely need to... Ooh, explosives. We definitely need to clean up this place a little more. Can I... Nope. Can I... Nope. Alright, so... Yeah, come on. Okay. So we're just gonna knock this into... Knock the... Yes, we're not knocking that. Alright. There we go. You playing with a Pokeball? Yeah, you are. Captain Boots, I choose you. Alright, what's in here? Oh, the door's locked. Lame. What do we got? Woo! Inside we go. Oh, gee! Oh, jeez! Oh, what was that? I can't... Okay. Okay, well, I think we're okay. I think we're okay. Whoop. Alright. Alright, we're down in the dark. It's okay. I got my trusty, Is that water going up? It looks like it's going up. You guys see that? It really looks like it's going up. I gotta explain it. Alright. I guess I shouldn't linger too much. There we go. Turn off the flashlight, save some battery power. Music's pretty banging. What's this? Can I touch this? Can I touch it? Can I touch it? Nope. No touching for me, guys. No touching for me. Alright. Light, I was using you. Ah, hold on. Oh, jeez. Out of nowhere, my ear just became incredibly itchy. I even cleaned it just earlier today. Great, so do not block. Can I square? Can I square though? How about circle? Yeah. That looks like a crushy thingy, so I don't want to go in there. That. Ooh, sweet ammo, health. Yeah. Oh, I need to turn off my. I keep forgetting to turn off my flashlight. Why do I need battery life? Water treatment, pump control. Oh. Well, that doesn't. Oh, I see. I probably have to put a block in there or something. Okay, I need you to, Okay, I guess that's something I'm never going back into. What do we got? Okay. We just got blocks? Yep, we just got blocks. Blocks are us. There we go. I got a block this time, guys. Do not block. I got blocks. Alright, how do I make it? There we go. Whoop, we're just gonna pop that right there. Boop, there we go. Ah! Outsmarting the machine. Outsmarting the machine. Oh, it would have sucked if I was in that when it did that. What do we got? We got a pylon there. Up the ladder. Aha! I'm here to murder. So we're still looking for this guy's like wife and daughter. Where the poop am I going and why am I doing this? Yeah, that's gross. Oh, hey friend. Just gonna leave you to be. Okay, what's in here? Okay, and what's this other door? Oh, of course it's freaking locked. Everything's always locked. Alright, I'll tear this apart with my bare hands. Ah, throw that barrel and miss. Whoop. There we go. Alrighty. Oh, like it comes with a free Coke. Yes! Life is good again, guys. We got a Coke. Come on. I'm like Solid Snake in it. I've never played Metal Gear Solid, so I honestly have no idea what the music would be. There we go. Now we're in here. And what is this? That is a power coupling thing. Whoop. There we go. I'll just pop that into there. And what's going on here? Huh? Oh, to be cleaning it up. Fantastic. Really? That's why I can open it? Is there a freaking barrel in my way? What's this? Oh, more health. Health and ammunition. Alright. Don't mind me. Even I don't know what I'm minding. Here we go. Super jump. Super jump. Super jump. Come on. There we go. Whoop. Alright. Not exactly yet spotting the spookies, but, you know, we got zombies. We got, stuff like that. That's pretty fast-paced, though. I mean, I'm not exactly... Well, that's the door that was clicking at. No, it's pretty fast-paced, so I'm glad about that. It's not like a slow, laggy type game. Alright, what about here? Oh, every door is locked. Come on. Don't give me music like that just before I have to, like, go into an area. I wonder if I should use that ladder. It's almost as if something's telling me to use that ladder. Anything else? Huh? Anything? Watch, I'm gonna like walk into some like water demon thing and be like, I will devour your children! It's like, no, I'm good, thanks. Instead, I will definitely climb the ladder. No water demons today. Okay. What am I looking at? What am I looking at? Okay. Okay. Oop. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Nope. 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 Okay. Whew. Man, I was worried there.
Hey.
Whoa.
Don't move.
What? Okay. Oh, jeez. Oh, don't. What the hell? Get up. Why? He told me not to move. I listened. Why would I not obey?
Hey. Don't
I'm moving. Oh, come on! I sprinted even before he said don't move.
Are you awake yet?
Oh.
Hello?
Hello?
I'm talking to you. Yes, you.
Why'd you try blowing me up? With my gun.
Yeah, there we go. You feel alright? You sure?
Where's my body?
We wouldn't want you to get hurt again, now would we?
Yeah, well, don't blow me up.
So the question on my mind is, why is a fisherman all the way down here?
I don't know. I was wondering that too.
Oh, and don't worry. I took away your hardware. Far be it from me to question where you got it.
Jackass!
You're quite the adventurer, aren't
I will
you?
Fight you.
We've been tracking your movements ever since you entered the facility.
That's weird.
Too bad you wasted your time.
Why? I don't even know why I'm here.
Speaking of time, my shift ended half an hour
Are you
ago.
that guy's wife?
So make yourself comfortable. You'll be dead by tomorrow anyway.
What? That literally makes no sense. Can I pick? What can I? Tip left, tip right. Come on. Come on.
Me.
Whee!
Yeah, he's awake.
Yeah, I'm awake, asshole. Now I'm gonna grab literally anything. Come on, there's a perfectly good wrench that I can use as a
My
weapon.
shift is over. I'm leaving. No, you're not paying me for this. I'm out of here.
Okay, I get it. Boop, goodbye, window. Yeah, whoop. Alright, well, they took my gun? What a dickbag. Can I get up here? Where am I going, game? Down I go! Oh, this sucks! Why would you not? Oh, jeez, that was poop. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that, oh, come on! Run! Okay, I have a box, but I do know that this does nothing to... Oh, good, it knows that I probably got my ass kicked. Right? Oh, loading screen again. Alright. Oh, they literally go both the same way. Okay, what do we got here? We got, what was that? To throw an object. Yeah! Take that. Oh, I'm supposed to try to get the hammer. Yeah! Well, that just sucked. Come on. Boop! There we go. Hammer time! Left click to throw object. I don't want to throw object. Oh, now I have melee weapon! Yes! Finally! Excuse me. I am the adventurer. That means I need to move forward. Okay. Whee! Anyone else want to fight me now that I got a frickin' hammer? Huh? Do I jump down here? I can't tell. Whee! Down I go! I honestly have no idea where I'm going or why. That guy was just as confused as I am, so... Come on. Can I swim faster? So holding A makes me go up. Oh, shite. Come on. Swim faster. Oh, I do have fire. Oh, what kind of grossness just went into the water? I don't want to deal with that. Ah, there we go. There's a ladder. Come on. Come on. Up. There we go. Up the ladder. Come on. Excuse me. I said up the ladder. There we go. Ah, break that thing. Do I want to go that way or this way? Boop. Oh, of course the door's locked. What else is new? Alright, up this ladder. Where's that dickbag that stole my gun? Because I'm going to beat him with this hammer. Oh, that's thin. Whoop. There we go. Sewer act. Authorized personnel only. Well, guess what? Since you stole my shit, that made me authorized. I'm authorized to kick your ass. Oh, that's a nice little place. I like this. Doesn't seem to be too hazardous. Nice forklift. Oh, jeez. Take that. Oh, jeez. Next time, hit him in the stupid head. Ugh. Alright. Hey, what's up? I'm good. Oh, come on! I was far enough back that you couldn't hit me. Dang it, Jerry. Dang it, Bobby. What do we got? Anything good? Any guns? Any ammo? Nope, just health bandage. Let's throw some stuff around. Let them know who they're dealing with. I am the thrower. I'm so good at throwing objects that... Hey, door, get open. I'm so good at throwing objects that you're not going to even know that your objects were thrown. Yeah, that good. I don't even have to make sense. See, like, other times I'm able to pick up, like, barrels, and that thing was like a toolkit. Those are pretty heavy. But, you know, a zombie comes up, and I still can't beat it off in a single smash. Alright. Up these stairs. Whoop, there we go. I haven't even found another battery for my flashlight. Where am I? I'm assuming I'm going that way. Hey, get out of here, barrels! Get out of here! Get! Woo! Oh, damn it! Alright, back up here. Okay, well, jump, and whoop! Oh, come the poops on! Wait. Oh. Or I could just do this. Well, I feel like a fool now. Come on. Whoop. There we go. Alright, so there's that way, there's that way. Let's just open up. Oh. Hello? Looking for my gun and an ass to beat. What's over here? There's a staircase. There's, oh, nope, nothing there. More staircase. Oh my god, what is it? Stair simulator? Alrighty, anything over here? Nope. Alrighty, but that actually is all we have time for today. We're going to be continuing on tomorrow. So until then, you guys have yourself a great evening, and bye-bye!